Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can crop in Reaper. So let's get straight into it. Now this cropping usually means one of two things: trimming an audio MIDI item or cropping the entire project to a specific time selection. So let's start with the easy one. So this is the most common way to crop a clip. So select a clip and go with your mouse over the left or right edge of an audio item until the cursor changes to a double-ended arrow. So as you can see right here, I hope you see it. It's really small double-crossed arrow, ended arrow. Click and drag, and as you can see, now I'm basically cropping this section. So this is one way. Other way is that we move this cursor, as you can see here, this one yellow green, to the place where we want, and then press S on our keyboard, and this will split our audio. And if you want to delete this first section, you just press delete button on your keyboard and you have successfully deleted the this section. All right, now to crop project to selection, if you have a long recording and only want to keep a specific 30-second section as your entire project, here at the timeline ruler at the top, you can create with the click highlighting the area. As you can see, now I'm highlighting some area. Now what you can do is right click the time selection in the ruler, and then you will select, and right here you will find crop project to selection. So you need to click, you see this timeline here which I selected, this one. So now don't just right click on this timeline up here, but click on outside of this box which you selected, and you will find crop project to selection. So this will remove all media outside that time range from your project timeline. As you can see, everything is gone, just this what I selected. As you can see now, if I press Ctrl Z, everything is back. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and select and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.